Fintech is the intersection between technology and finance. So basically what we want to teach students in the concentration is how like new players and existing players such as banks, insurance companies, investment companies, they adopt that technology to offer new products. So for example, how do they use blockchain to offer like new services, how insurance companies are using AI, machine learning, to process claims, among others. The FinTech concentration is built around two required courses, which is Python. So students are expected to like learn Python quite well. And there is another course on financial innovation. And then we offer a series of electives for students to basically emphasize on the tech that they want. No? So there is a course on blockchain, there is a course on machine learning, there is a course on robo-advising, there is a course on financial modeling, and there is also a capstone course, which is a course where students can develop their own project in FinTech, which basically allows them to go to the marketplace with a clear, tangible product that shows their capabilities in this. So the career paths would be, for example, working in a private equity, working as an analyst to evaluate projects in FinTech. Career paths will be, for example, working on an investment company using the new tech, for example, machine learning and AI to develop new products, to test new strategies, to develop new interfaces with clients. FinTech is an amazing space because it keeps evolving. Like FinTech 2 years ago is different from FinTech today, and we know that with ChatGPT. No? So what we're doing, what we seek to do every year is to keep the program up to date. So last year we made a couple of changes. We introduced new courses, the robo-advising, for example, the capstone course, to make the program current and to meet the demand from the industry, because this is what we always do. We hear from our industry partners and we adapt the curriculum based on their demands. So FinTech has like two phases. The first phase of FinTech was basically to make products more accessible to like the clients, but now you have a bunch of companies sitting on like a massive amount of data. So now the second wave of FinTech is basically processing the data. And that's why tools such as machine learning, ChatGPT come into play, because they reduce the cost by a vast amount on processing these like massive unstructured data sets. No? And because the market is demanding that type of skill, at the FinTech concentration, we change the curriculum to basically meet that demand. So we constantly take a look at the industry to basically adapt our offering. I teach the blockchain course and we launch smart contracts. For example, this is something that basically we teach students how to interact with like in a real setting, launch a real contract with real players. We also teach students, for example, pieces of code that basically mime using real data, real inputs, and how to improve like the existing codes that we have. So this is just a taste of what we do in FinTech, which is basically based on real data all the time.